my god, what in the monstrosity is this? Hey guys, Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I'm like super duper excited because as you people can see, I got my hands on an exclusive gaming monitor and the kind of specs and features it offers, right? Next level stuff is what I can say. So it's a new model from Lenovo. It's their all new Legion Pro 34 WD10, and I'm telling you, right, this is a 34 inches 21:9 ultra wide curved gaming monitor that literally comes with an OLED panel on board, and main highlight is it's got like an insanely high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, and not to miss out, 0.03 millisecond G to G ultra fast response time. So I'm like super excited to unbox and talk about this gaming monitor in this video. Not only that, it also has some other exclusive features, like on board you're getting auto brightness sensor, auto human detection sensor is also there, KVM support, PBP, PIP, and plenty of other interesting features, not to miss out RGB lighting as well. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And wait a second, I forgot to mention, this video was made in collab with Lenovo. A big thank you to them. And by the way, in this video, whatever feedback or opinion I'll be sharing, right, they're completely based on my testing and opinion only, nothing influenced by anyone. So our brand new Legion Pro curved gaming monitor came in this sort of huge packaging. You've got the Lenovo and Legion branding on the front, picture of the product as well, and mentions all of its main highlights and features. So quickly opening it, there you go boys, at the top side we've got plenty of accessories. Just check them out. You're getting a lot of freebie cables. A DP cable is there, HDMI 2.1 ultra high speed cable is also included, a Type-C cable is also there, not to miss out, a mains cord for the monitor. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that if you've got time. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. So thing is, this unboxing part was done quite a while back only, guys, and I've been using this monitor for the last couple of days. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly power on the monitor, set it up and connect it to my PC, and then I'll talk about the main specs and highlights and obviously the whole design and build quality part. So there you go boys, our very first look and initial impressions at Lenovo's all new Legion Pro 34 WD10 gaming monitor. And initial impressions, I have to mention, holy mother of tech, that is one beautiful looking gaming monitor. I mean, look at the whole profile, guys. Absolutely premium looking stuff. Look at that curve from the side angle. I mean, see, I've seen plenty of gaming monitors in the past, even the curved gaming monitors as well, but most of those curved gaming monitors only have around like 1800R curvature design, but Lenovo has done something special over here. This one has a very unique 800R curvature design, gives you a very immersive panoramic sort of view. I mean, check out those beautiful curves on the gaming monitor. Now that is what I'm talking about, right? So Legion gaming monitor comes with a dual color sort of design and literally black and white sort of finish, guys. Definitely gives you that gaming vibe and feel. Have a closer look. We'll start off from the front profile. On board you're getting a massive 34 inches ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio OLED panel, that too with WQHD resolution. Look at the bezels as well. Nearly bezel-less sort of experience on four sides, guys. Gives a very beautiful look and feel. And here's how the side profile of the gaming monitor looks like. You're getting plenty of cutouts and vents basically for like air circulation to keep the monitor running cool. And here's how the monitor looks from the back profile. I have already told you at the beginning, right? You're getting a black and white sort of finish with the Legion branding at the top side. And let me tell you, the monitor also has like ambient RGB lighting on the bottom profile near the front area, guys. Wait a second, I haven't shown you the stand, right? Stand on this monitor is a bit special. Let me give you a closer look. Now you guys might wonder, arey, what is this? Let me tell you, the monitor stand also offers like an integrated phone holder. You can literally place your smartphone over here and maybe binge watch some content, or maybe if you're having some sort of meetings or calls, right, you can easily place it like this and use it like multi-purpose stand. Quite handy is what I can say. And don't forget, on the lower area, right, you do have a cutout as well to easily manage and organize your cables. So that is about the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available buttons and connectivity ports on this model. So starting off, you're getting a power button followed by input source select, and this one I believe is your game mode selection. Direct shortcut is there. Above that, you're getting a 5-way navigational joystick, so you can easily access the monitor's OST menu and access different sort of features. Coming to the connectivity ports, all of them are present on the bottom profile of the back area of the monitor, very easily accessible, guys. So you're getting plenty of ports over here. On the left profile, you're getting a mains cord. I've already told you, right, monitor comes with an integrated power supply, so all you need to do is simply plug in the mains graphics card and you're good to go. Followed by you're getting two HDMI 2.1 ports and one of them even supports EARC guys. So that is something exclusive on a gaming monitor. You're getting a full size display port available and a USB port that also doubles up as DP connectivity guys. So you can easily connect your smartphones or external laptops and supports power delivery of up to 140 watts. A USB hub solution is also available with a Type B port included, so you can directly connect all your peripherals and use it over here. And not to miss out, the monitor also has a 2.5G Ethernet LAN port as well. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the adjustability, right? Monitor offers a lot of flexible adjustments. You can easily adjust the height, tilt, swivel as well, but unfortunately it doesn't support pivot, so you can't convert it into like vertical mode guys. Obviously that was expected because this is an ultra wide curved monitor, right? I know you people are like super excited to see how does gaming feel on this ultra wide 34 inches curved OLED gaming monitor, right? But before we get to the gaming performance part, first of all let me tell you about the whole display quality and experience, and also talk about the built-in speakers. So the Legion Pro 34WD10 comes with a 34 inches ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio, and main highlight is on board you're getting a high quality OLED panel, that too with up to like 240 Hz refresh rate. So I've been using this gaming monitor for the last couple of days and binged watched a variety of content guys, not just for like media consumption. I also did a bit of content creation, productivity, and obviously played games as well, AAA games. And let me tell you, monitor's display quality was like phenomenal guys. One of the finest quality panels that I have seen in the recent times. Great amount of detail. You're literally getting WQHD resolution, right, which roughly translates to around like 3440 by 1440 resolution guys at 34 inches. Offers like razor sharp text. If you talk about the contrast levels, are you kidding me? This is an OLED panel guys, so obviously you will be getting like near to infinite contrast ratio and true black levels is what I can say. Coming to colors, first of all let me tell you, this is actually a very well color calibrated OLED panel from the factory and supports up to like 99% sRGB color gamut range and up to 98.5% DCI-P3 color gamut range. And not only that, Lenovo mentions that this panel offers up to like delta E value less than equal to. That means the colors that it's going to produce, the whole color accuracy, color reproduction is pretty much on point guys. So not just for gaming or media consumption purpose, even if you're like a content creator and you do a bit of productivity stuff, maybe for like video editing or maybe like color grading, these sort of stuff, right? This monitor is going to be great for these sort of applications. Nothing to be worried about. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, since this is an ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio monitor, it might be not that great for media consumption or entertainment purpose, especially if you watch a lot of movies or web series, right? You'll obviously get black bars not just on the top and bottom but even on the left and right side as well. So this might actually feel like you're having a smaller size monitor. Apart from that, if you're using this for like content creation, productivity, or even for gaming purpose, right, you'll get a very immersive experience, all thanks to that 800R curvature design. And coming to the brightness was also like quite sufficient and satisfactory. So the typical brightness value you can expect is around like 270 to 280 nits, but if you actually watch like HDR content, right, this monitor can offer a peak brightness of around like 1200 to 1300 nits. So especially if you're watching like movies or maybe like web series on Netflix or something like that, right, you are going to be blown away with the whole experience. I'm telling you, right, this is a beautiful curved OLED display that you're getting on a gaming monitor and you are going to be like quite happy and satisfied with this. So keeping the display part aside, don't forget that the monitor also has like built-in speakers. I mean literally I've reviewed so many gaming monitors in the recent times, none of them had built-in speakers. You had to rely or purchase some external speakers only. But over here, say in case you're a bit tight on a budget, after spending this huge amount on a monitor, you might be limited to budget for at least certain period of time, right? Nothing to worry. You are getting like stereo speaker setup on board, each of 5 watts. So totally you can expect around like 10 watts of audio output. And the built-in speakers performance is actually pretty decent. Crisp and clear vocals, all the dialogues were like easily audible and output also like decently sufficient. Will get your job done. One more question you might get is, the monitor comes with an OLED panel, right? Then what about the screen burn-in issue? Well, let me tell you, yes, OLED panels are a bit prone to screen burn-in issues if do not handle properly. But not to worry, Lenovo has implemented some AI algorithms on board to provide self-care and protection against this. On top of that, it also comes with auto brightness sensor that automatically adjusts the panel brightness depending on the current scenario and ambience, and also comes with auto human detection smart sensor as well, which will keep monitoring human presence and put the monitor to sleep if the user leaves after a certain period of time, thus preventing any sort of OLED screen burn-in issues and extends the overall panel lifespan as well. Okay, I know you people have been eagerly waiting for this part. How does it feel gaming on this ultra wide 34 inches curved gaming monitor from Lenovo? As I've told you at the beginning, I've been using this monitor for quite some time. I've played a variety of AAA games. First of all, let me tell you, it has some exclusive gaming features. Basically, it has multiple game modes to choose from. You can either access them via OSD menu or even using Lenovo's Artery software display control center. For different genre of games, you're getting different modes, guys. Each is suitable for their own scenario, like FPS mode, racing mode, and much more, just like how you were getting like professional modes for creators, right? Similarly, for different games, you're getting different scenarios over here. And not only that, you're also getting some gaming support features like a magnifying tool, dark boost toggle, scaling mode, and even real-time FPS counter. The dark boost feature is super helpful. It balances the game's brightness, especially in dark scenes or dark areas, using smart algorithms so you can clearly see and easily identify enemies, especially during intense action scenes. Not only that, the Legion Pro WD10 also supports KVM functionality, so you can quickly switch peripheral control between two different PCs connected to the same monitor on the go without removing any sort of cables. Picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes are also supported, so you can check out two different input sources connected to the monitor at the same time on the display. And since it has a USB-C DP port, you can easily connect your smartphones or even laptops and use it like a one-cable solution for video signal, data transfer, and also charging as well. Apart from that, a special console mode is also available, so not just for PC, you can use this monitor even for your Xbox or PS5 console as well, because it supports HDMI 2.1 with full 48 Gbps bandwidth, right? It can give you like full on 120 Hz on latest consoles with HDR support, not an issue at all. But only thing is, since it comes with an ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio, you might get a black bars on the left and right profile playing on your console. Anyway, sharing my experience, I've played plenty of games like Spider-Man, Doom Eternal as well, Horizon Forbidden West, and I was blown away with the whole gaming experience. I mean, since you're getting a 800R curvature ultra wide design, it feels very immersive. I mean, whenever you're playing games, right, you might have to look from left to right to give you that really immersive and crazy experience is what I can say. And not to miss out, you're also getting like super high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz at ultra wide QHD resolution, right? The overall latency input lag is like super minimum, all thanks to an OLED panel that offers up to 0.03 milliseconds. Not to miss out, the model also supports AMD's FreeSync Premium Pro that includes both LFC and low latency support as well, and tries to minimize ghosting effects and absolutely eliminates any sort of screen tearing, guys. I'm telling you, right, especially if you bought this monitor for gaming purpose on your PC, right, you will be blown away with the experience. One unique feature I have to talk about is Lenovo's True Split technology. What it basically does is it splits one PC's content as two different screens on the same monitor. You cannot compare this with the software layout organizing in Windows. This is a true hardware solution, guys. It greatly enhances your work efficiency and supports multitasking experience, especially if you're like a content creator or maybe you do a lot of video editing, productivity stuff, right? You can easily split your display in two parts or maybe three parts also, and check out maybe video playing on one side, maybe browse your internet on the other part, and do multiple tasks at the same time on the same monitor, guys. Super useful is what I can say. So it's got like 4 different modes to choose from. You're getting 1:1 mode, 2:1, 1:2, and also 1:1:1 triple split screen mode also available. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. This is what I wanted to show you all in today's video. Lenovo's all new Legion Pro 34 WD10 gaming monitor. It's a beautiful gaming monitor, guys. I mean, come on, 34 inches ultra wide 21:9 curved OLED gaming monitor that offers some top notch spec and hardware with up to 240 Hz high refresh rate and also ultra fast 0.03 millisecond G2G response time. This is one heck of a killer gaming monitor that you can buy buy around this price point. And coming to the price point, I haven't told you, right? The monitor roughly costs around like 1,09,000 rupees in the Indian market. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. You can visit Lenovo.com website to check out their entire range of PCs from IdeaPad, Yoga, Lock series to Legion gaming series as well. And apart from that, Lenovo also offers their customize your PC option exclusively on Lenovo.com website, where you can completely configure the device as per your specs and requirement and get your device delivered within 4 days of purchase in select locations. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.